principal investigator of this H2020 European project AirBorne, dealing with the technology for search and rescue in alpine environments. Actually, the project involves many partners, technical and industrial partners. And again, I'm the general coordinator of it. AirBorne is a follow-up of a European project, still H2020, I coordinated years ago, that was named Sherpa, still dealing with robotics for search and rescue, but both at academic level, dealing with many technologies, all useful for search and rescue. And during Sherpa, we realized there was specific technologies for avalanche, quite promising, quite important, and impactful. So we decided to have a follow-up, more industrially driven, and actually we launched AirBorne in this context, trying to increase the technology readiness level of that specific technologies, trying to develop something more with an industrial vision. Exciting but also challenging part of European project, in the sense that actually there are many partners spread all over Europe. In the case of AirBorne, we have a partner from Sweden, one from Germany, one from UK, and two from Italy. Challenging actually because it's hard to integrate all the different works and all the different partners, especially in this particular year, where because of the actually COVID situation, actually we were forced to have just a remote and virtual meeting, and actually we were not able to have a physical meeting that in a project of this kind are indeed important. But also exciting because it's really great to exchange vision, idea, and way of working that typically are quite different. And so it's typical of European project that is indeed having many partners involved. And I have to say that in AirBorne, actually the overall consortium was great, definitely collaborative, and actually I really happy and proud to coordinate such a group. Challenge from a technical viewpoint behind AirBorne is definitely the fact that it's not just a matter of combining a commercial sensor with a commercial drone, but actually because of electromagnetic inference problem, actually it's important to co-design everything. So both these different sensor technologies that we have in AirBorne and the drone itself should be indeed properly integrated and indeed co-designed, because actually if you pick a commercial drone and commercial sensor and simply integrate that, definitely it doesn't work because of the, again, inference between the two objects. So actually the big challenge was to integrate the different know-hows we have from an industrial level in the consortium, and trying to develop a product that is fully integrated and fully operative in very difficult and challenging environments. That is the other big challenge we have in AirBorne. As you can imagine, operating in avalanche setting is not easy because the environmental conditions are quite harsh and indeed not conventional. So robustness is a keyword in our development. It's not possible indeed to develop technologies that are fragile, because actually they are expected to operate in very complicated and indeed harsh environments. As former coordinator of Sherpa, to me, AirBorne means complete division, basically. So in Sherpa, we started with very basic, low TRL aspect, more related to research, more academic. In AirBorne, the idea is to conclude with an industrial product that could be really impactful, indeed, in the environment and in the field we target, indeed, that is the field of search and rescue. So to me is a kind of complete the journey that we started in Sherpa, starting from research and finishing with indeed iron and a real industrial product.